Hello and welcome back. This is Cara and it's day 2 of the 5 days of Valentine's Day Digis. And these are the Digis from my kit and DearJulieJulie's kit that I'll be using. And I've cut them all out and I backed them with some scrapbook paper. So I just have this much left of the scrapbook paper. So I left the pink, so there's a bit of pink on the front and then just the white on the back. And we still have all of these little pieces of ephemera we can use to kind of fancy up some of the tags. These I think I'm going to keep like this for now, and then these will be cards that we can put into the folio. So I'm going to set those aside. And then I inked around the edges on those, so those are ready. So I'm just gonna kind of focus on these 4 things here. So the 2 tags and these journaling cards. And I keep trying to remember which one. So I made 2. I think this is gonna be the folio. So what I wanted to check really quick is if this, oh yeah, there's plenty of room. So I was kind of thinking this could end up as, I guess the butterflies are going that other direction, can go as a pocket, really anywhere. So that's good. All right. So I have these pieces and I think I inked most of them. And I wanted to get out my lace. I have this really fun piece right here. And maybe we'll add that onto this. Oh wow, that's really big. I might cut this in half. All right, I'm back. So I cut it in half, and I think we'll add it down here as the pocket. I'm just gonna trim this off. And I put my glue in this smaller bottle, hopefully. We won't have crazy glue today. And hopefully my phone, because I use my phone to record, hopefully my phone doesn't do whatever it did yesterday. I was recording the video and all of a sudden it went into slow-mo mode. And I'm like, why is this taking forever to transfer to my laptop so that I could edit it? It was in slow-mo mode, and the video that was about 15 or 20 minutes total ended up being like an hour and a half because it was slow. Oh my goodness, nuts. It was nuts. I'm hoping, kind of checking, make sure that I don't accidentally touch something to make it go into slow-mo. It was so weird. I've never had that happen before. All right, I was just going to tuck these Finch cards in and then this little tag. I thought that'd be kind of fun tucked in. That's fun. The felt, or is that felt? I think, no. I don't know. It's fun though. Fun lace. And then we need a piece for the top. Maybe this one? No. I want like a creamy. I don't have too much pulled from the creamy part. What's this one? No, I can't decide. What do I want? Fabric? Let's do fabric. So hopefully you've been checking out the other YouTubers that have been making their projects too with the kit. I noticed several people are making junk journals with theirs. There was a mini album with a paper bag. Super cute idea. I love it. So many fun ideas. So if you haven't, make sure to check out the other gals, and I have them listed below in my description, and you can just click on their links and it will take you over there. The other thing that I learned recently, thank you to Debbie for letting me know this. It's been how long that I've been watching the YouTube? I think I'm gonna do black. But if you're in Facebook, and sometimes it doesn't allow you to subscribe or click on the video, there's an option that you can click on that says open app, and it will take you into YouTube. And then that way you can like, comment, and subscribe in the video. I didn't know that after all this time. It was something new that I've learned. All right, so I'm just gonna my frame. Let me scoot this. Sorry, I'm gonna move you. I'm gonna move you a little closer to me. There we go. Yeah. Let's tie that. There we go. That's cute. I might stitch. We'll see. We might. I don't know. You know what? Let's add a button. Or, yeah, a button. Maybe 2 buttons. Okay, I lied. I'm going to do 3. I have to do my thing of 3. There we go. All right, I like that. That's super cute. Set that aside to dry. And then let's work on this one. All right, what do we have left? We have I think I'm gonna add these tickets like this. Yeah, something like that. All right. If I had my stamp out, I would stamp. Do I have my stamp out? Oh, I have these out. Let's see what we have here. Let's use this one. I haven't used this set much, and I like it a lot, and I need to use it. So this is perfect. And then my ink pad. All right, I'm back again. I'm making a video at an odd time, and so the kids keep coming in. I'm like, hey, they're not used to me doing it at this time. All right, so that looks fun. Let's add this here. I just love these little tickets. So fun. And then right here. Cute. Cute. All right, I'm gonna punch this one. And grab an eyelet. I think I'll keep my fabric topper the same. Oh, come on. My fingernails are so short right now. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't do my nails before this video. I had intentions, and then I ran out of time. So they're kind of messy. And it's the glue. It's this glue that keeps messing them up. I paint them thinking, oh, they're going to last for a long time. And then, nope. It's because I'm so messy with the glue. I think I need to ink it up a little bit. I'm going to trim off just a little bit. There. Do we want anything else? No, I think I'm going to leave this one nice and simple like that. You know what? I lied. I think I want just a little staple. Just to add a little something. All right, so that one's done. Kind of making a big mess as I do. Okay, let's cover the folio with some paper. And I have several pieces. You can kind of decide which ones to use. I thought these, because they're the thinner paper, I thought these would work well. This one would be fun on the cover. So let's start with that. And I think the easiest way is to trace it, maybe? Or to glue it in if it's more helpful. Like that. And I'm just gonna measure this one. Oh, you know what? I have an idea. We're gonna rip it. So I'm gonna take this. Guesstimate. And then I'm gonna take it and rip it this way. And now that can be a pocket as well. I'm gonna ink this up. So then if I get the folio as I'm making things, we can kind of use the folio to put the stuff in that we make. Okay, I'm gonna glue this one on the 3 sides. And then this could be a pocket, like that. All right, and now I also wanted to put this as a pocket. You know what? I'm gonna, because I think I'm gonna stitch here. Should I stitch this? I think so. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and my sewing machine decided to eat part of this piece. So I'm going to snip this off. And I think, let's add some, whoops, this white fabric. Kind of stretchy. And then some lace. I think this pink one would be fun. And something, maybe this one. I'm just gonna, maybe this will be too big. Let's cut this down a little bit. I think I'm just gonna kind of layer this up. I have different textures. And I think we'll just kind of attach that onto there. And then we'll never know. I'm gonna lose my butterfly, but that's okay. The thing with junk journaling is you can always fix an oops, which is really nice. And it just gives this more texture. So that's not bad. All right. And I might add something on top of that, but for now, we'll leave it like that. Okay, so let's glue this on the bottom 3 sides. There we go. We can add a tag. Oops. It needs to dry for a minute. Okay, so we have a good start to our folio, and that will just kind of fold up like that. Gonna need a little more glue. I do think I'm gonna stitch around the edges. And these, I don't know if this is going to be a pocket. We'll kind of wait on this. But we have these pieces that we can use in the mini folio as we go. But not bad for today. All right, and then I might... No, because I don't know what we want to do. I'm going to hold off on this because as we go, we might use some of the pages to cover. So we'll stop here. All right. I'm liking the folio so far. All right. Thanks so much for joining me. Check out the other ladies who are also making really fun things with these 2 digital kits. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.